So in this video, we are going to use Andy Gupp's solution. He's a well-known developer over at ESRI, does a lot of JavaScript work and that. And so I'm going to put it down in this demo2 folder here. I'm just going to copy this path to the clipboard in that. And there's lots of ways to do this if you already have a GitHub account, and you could fork it, you can clone it is another thing. So without a bunch of steps, you just find the page. This is the project I want to copy. You go to the code button, download the zip file. It's like cloning it almost. It's remembered my directory here. Fantastic. And that I'm going to get back in this window actually. There it is. Now I'm going to quickly extract it here with WinZip 7. I might have to bump it up one level. We'll see. In that the JavaScript main. I'm actually going to grab all of this, cut it, bring it up to the top, throw it down here, and that, Control V, there, and I'll get rid of this. Don't need that anymore. Don't need that anymore. Now this is different. We'll just get in here, open this up with VS Code. Now the big thing is this ready to go? No, you would have to go down and run npm install, which I'll do. Terminal, new terminal. It's going to go into the package JSON and hunt these down, and that's so npm install. And that. So what we are doing is this second demo on ESRI Vite, and where we download it, unzip it, do npm install, and then we'll run it. And that again, it's going to pull down the ArcGIS Maps SDK for JavaScript. It's going to pull down Calcite components, Lodash, which is the big hit. That's more Vite hit, just so you know when Lodash is coming down, and that. And so that'll take a few seconds to run. But this is this demo here. Again, there's lots of ways to do this. So how you want to approach it really depends. If you have a GitHub account and you're like a I guess comfortable Git user, you probably just fork it instead in that, and then set up your own repos to sync. I was going to double check it's still doing Lodash in that. That's fine. It should be done soon. Oh, here comes the ESRI ArcGIS core coming down. Again, it's going to pull all these, but part of the dependencies, this is a 4.2.5. This is another thing too, right? This is by going the latest, we're probably on a 4.29, 4.30 on the previous solution in that. And you do have these scripts, and you do have a Vite, and this will fire up. The idea for the Vite config where it'll launch it in the browser automatically, which it just did over here, sort of deal. I stole from Andy in that. And this one just zooms in on London and that. But basically, it gives you a basic Vite development server that uses the ArcGIS Maps SDK for JavaScript, and that with a few integrations, not too many, and that. Again, he doesn't his Vite config just really. He deals with chunk size and lazy loading, so he has a setting in there. He doesn't have the part about web workers, probably because he uses the framework that exists already in the SDK in that. So that's all it is for this particular demonstration, is how you can go grab Andy's and start from there. That's all for now.